The ecobee SmartThermostat is a worthy successor to the very popular ecobee 4. What's going on, everyone? It is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and in the world of smart thermostats, ecobee has always sought to differentiate itself with great hardware and those smart sensors that give you even additional control and insight into your home. The new smart thermostat is the successor to the ecobee 4, and it builds upon it in a lot of ways. Exterior looks very similar to the ecobee 4, but it has a new glass panel across the front, replacing the plastic from the last few generations. That isn't the only part that got a makeover. The smart sensor also was reworked to be much smaller and more premium in design and build. And of course, all of this still works with Apple HomeKit, as well as Alexa and other smart home platforms. Inside the box, you're going to find the thermostat, the smart sensor, a mounting plate, the wiring connections, the power unit, and the stand for the smart sensor. Basically everything you need to get this thing up and installed in very little time. ecobee has a ton of resources that makes it very easy to install the smart thermostat. Though if you do hit some hiccups, it's always possible just to call an electrician to have it done for you. One of the biggest upgrades this generation is the speaker on the back. It has been much improved from the very tinny and small sounding original one that was in the ecobee 4. It definitely sounds better, and we don't mind listening to audio on this model. Otherwise, everything else is the same. You have vents along the top, as well as the light bar to let you know when you're activating Alexa. That new glass front panel, which is still a touchscreen, has an internal quad-core processor that is very fast, and it now supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi. As we mentioned before, the smart sensors were reworked. The base is now metal and connects magnetically to the bottom of the sensor. And overall, the sensor is smaller and looks better. It definitely looks more premium and has a more seamless front finish compared to the other one, which had a little panel on the front where it was kind of gauging your motion and the temperature. Absolutely an improvement. Installation should take no more than 45 minutes or so, depending on how adept you are with installing thermostats. If you have the ecobee 3 or the ecobee 4, it's even easier because you can just pop that off and pop this one on in its place. There seems to be no difference in the actual mounting plate. Then you walk through a few different settings about your home and where it's placed, and you're off to the races. All this still works with Apple HomeKit. It shows up in there. You can change the mode, change the temperature. All that can also be controlled using Siri. You can place it into a room, really control everything. You also get motion sensors showing up in HomeKit, so you can trigger lights and other accessories and scenes by that motion. Even better, the smart sensor also shows in the Home app as a separate device and can go in a separate room. So in our case, in our home, we actually put that smart sensor right at the top of the stairs so we get a good read on that upstairs temperature. But we also may want to turn on those stairway lights whenever someone's walking up and down the stairs. So that's just what we did. We moved that smart sensor into the stairway, both in real life and inside of our Home app. Then we created an automation rule that whenever there's motion detect on the stairway, you'll turn the lights on. And you can change the lights to do different brightnesses based on the time of day. So during the day, it can come on very bright, and at night, it can come on much dimmer. We love the user interface in the ecobee thermostats. They're very easy and intuitive to use with a wealth of information right at your fingertips on the thermostat itself, not always requiring the accompanying app. The icon on the left, that hamburger icon, opens the main menu, where you have everything you want to control, your sensors, your schedule, everything you need. Second one over is weather. There's always going to be that weather icon in the center, but this one gives you a full forecast for the day and the week. Next up is quick changes, such as I'm home or I'm away, if it doesn't automatically switch. Lastly is the one for voice control. You can set this up with Alexa and summon Alexa how you want. There will be a blue bar along the top when you're accessing her and she's talking to you, and you can use that to mute the microphone when you don't want to use her. One of the things that we noted right away was how fast the user interface is. With a new quad-core processor, it is insanely quick as you move around the UI of the thermostat. It was a little bit laggy before, but now it feels fluid, pretty much like a smartphone, but on your wall. The ecobee Smart Thermostat is a great upgrade over the previous generation. We wish it had AirPlay 2 to go along with Apple HomeKit support, but barring that, everything else is a welcome change. If you want to grab one, you can find the link below in the description. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.